Wala ka ano! Bang! Bruh.
Bawasan ang hindi kailangang paggamit ng enerhiya tulad ng pag-carpooling, bisikleta, at pwedeng ayusin ang schedule ng lakad upang mabawasan ang madalas na pagbiyahe.
In the MPFL Cup, they are only about and local armed conflict and local Alka. Nakalimutan ko yung sagot ko. Sandali.
What's all the fuss about Shimonette? The word has been all over Philippine social media ever since an August 27 hearing on the budget of the Office of the Vice President. VP Sara Duterte gave flippant answers on questions about her use of confidential funds and her proposed budget of over 2 billion pesos. Referring to lawmaker Arlene Brosas, Duterte said,
She may not like my answer. She may not like how I answer. She may not like the content of my answer. But I am answering.
Babalang muna natin yung mic, sir. Babalang po natin. 3 questions lang tayo, ma. Ako lang. Sige.
Thank you. Magandang umaga. So, two items lang muna ako sa ngayon today ha. Kasi, sorry, kailangan ko yung cellphone. Sir, kailangan. 2 items lang muna tayo today. Kasi, minahabol ko yung house hearing. Kasi kailangan ko kasamahan yung mga kasamahan namin sa OVP version. Yung mga kasamahan. Again. 2 items lang muna tayo today.
Ano? Wala ka ano!